Merry meet everyone, this is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath and I'm here to give you your weekly reading. I hope you guys had a great weekend. So Monday and Tuesday. It's the Eight of Swords. And the Eight of Swords is telling you that you're thinking too much and unnecessarily. What has happened in the past weekend that has made you think so much? The point is, whatever it is, you're self-victimizing. Right now you're in the mode where you're creating more trouble for your own life than there actually is. So the advice here is stop thinking so much, and there is a silver lining to every dark cloud you can find. Are you willing to take a look? That's the question. So Monday and Tuesday sound like they can be quite confusing. They can be self-limiting. You could be ignoring what actually needs to be seen, and that is something that is helping you to victimize. If you just turn around the way you think, where you're looking, your perspective, you realize that there is a solution right around you, right around where you are. Okay, so that's Monday and Tuesday. I love this card. This is the Wednesday card. It's the kind of family togetherness, family celebrations. So I'm thinking with whatever happened on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, the family kind of helps you sort that out. You could also take a little picnic vacation with the family. But it is important to spend time with the family because there is a huge something happening there, and it requires for all of you to be together. It requires for everyone to share in their time and their energies into that space right now. Now, when I mean family, it does not only mean parents and brothers and sisters. It could mean a work family. It could be a family of friends that is very important right now, and everybody needs to be sharing in. But togetherness with like-minded people becomes a family. Whatever you call family, it is important. It is important to share time with that group of people. Thursday and Friday is the Four of Wands. Now this could mean so many things, including an engagement or a wedding. Wow. But definitely a celebration which celebrates togetherness. So it's possible, that there could be a rite of passage from one phase of your life into another phase of your life, starting Wednesday all the way down to Friday. It just tells me that you need to open yourself to receiving the happiness that is already there around you, and something is kind of blocking you from doing that. Is it deservability, or is it just it's just a deep-seated belief that you don't belong here, or that you don't want it, or you don't know if you'll be able to handle the responsibility of having what has been given to you. But remember one thing: if you were not responsible enough, and if you were not strong enough to handle what is being given to you, you would not be given that. So I would say just drop the self-victimization and enjoy this week. It's such a lovely week. And now for our oracle cards for the week. Just one oracle card. The unicorns. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is so amazing. Look at this. We've had this card before, but this is just so in sync with the reading I just did for you. Family culture. Learn more about your family stories and your history, and all it basically is trying to tell you is spend time with that family. You need to go down to the roots of this family, because there's something that is going to help you strengthen your work even further, make life even more solid, less complicated, or rather not complicated at all, offer you more solutions, solace and peace than confusion and complication and issues. Go down into the roots. Your roots are really calling you. There's something that you really need to know that you're probably shying away from or not aware of. But take your time and spend it really well with family this week. Parents and grandparents, basically the elders. If it's a work family, your seniors. Maybe someone's getting promoted, maybe someone's resigning, or someone's finished their lifetime of work. There's a lot of value. There's a lot of value in this sharing, and I really believe that it is important for you right now, as someone who's growing into the person that you are, to spend time with this energy. It's going to be a beautiful week. It's going to be an absolutely beautiful week. I hope you enjoy it as much as I'm seeing the enjoyment in it. I hope it actually happens in your life. And really, I would honestly like to know if it happened and how you felt about this. So please, below this reading, write me a comment. Tell me how it felt. Tell me what you experienced, and tell me if it happened, didn't happen, all of it. And if you want a personal reading, you can send me an email on shakti@goddessbreath.com. That's shakti@goddessbreath.com. I'm waiting for your replies. I love you guys. Have a great week. See you in the weekend. Bye bye.